honey, this is the biggest number. I see a very big change in this. These ones are a bit bigger compared to the ones which are in the other room. These are a bit bigger. We separated the weaker ones because they were not getting access to the feeds. Because these are stronger, they used to fight for the feeds. Yeah, so the weaker ones could not eat. You know, baby, we left, how many are they? We left 100 and how much? Let me see. In the other house, there are 900. Sorry, there are 99. 99. We were hoping that this space could be enough for 200, but looking at how they are in full house, it means even this space is smaller for 200. It means in this room they are 199. Yeah, 199. But even just putting feeds, you barely have where to step. So it means basically this room had to occupy at most 150. But comparing to what most of the people advise is that they should not be in a very bigger space, because when they are in a bigger space, they get reluctant in terms of eating